What's up, everybody? Just I can't remember what today is. It is Wednesday, and I'm in the yard doing a little maintenance stuff for my trailer. I was supposed to do this on Sunday, but I was out of town and I just got back pretty late, so I was not able to do it. But today I just did a drop off, and now I'm here with my last dumpster here, and looking to do a bit of greasing. So I'm gonna show you guys how important it is, what to do, where to get it. I will drop a link in my bio so you guys can check it out. It's pretty cheap as compared to the electric one. I believe it's probably the same thing. I'm not gonna lie. DeWalt is a really good brand, but it's a bit expensive. There's no need for me to buy an expensive grease gun if I can use one of these bad boys. But anyway, I'll leave a link in my bio. So this was about $30 or so. But you do have to buy the fitting separately. That's another probably $20 or so, and it doesn't come with the grease itself, so you gotta buy your own grease. I believe that was on maybe another $20. I'm not sure. I'll definitely leave a link in my bio of all the stuff I got. But right now I am here doing just a little maintenance stuff, not the major, just greasing all the zerks and making sure everything is good. It's been a month now, a little over a month now. So I like to do these maintenance check once a month or once a month probably, just to have a regular checked out. So anyway, here it is. Check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel. Little routine maintenance check again. Definitely encourage everyone to do that. It will definitely help your trailer last longer. So not too much to say here, but I believe there's a lot of zerks that I gotta grease down to. So I think I have to drop the dumpster in order for me to get to access to those places. So I might do that. I don't have anything to do today, so I'm like, why not? So anyway, here goes the video. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.